our most advanced lip plumper. I've tried them out. I just don't know, okay? I just didn't know. Oh, and blue light. I didn't even read that. Wow. You know, it's exciting. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my Sephora Spring Savings Event VIB sale haul. I did a haul already where I got my first order and then I actually went and ordered more. So yay. So I will link the first haul below. I do recommend you subscribe to my channel if you want to see any of the stuff you saw in this haul or the first haul reviewed, as I am going to be reviewing almost all of it, whether it's dedicated or in a group testing new products video. If you want to see what I got in my second order from Sephora for the spring savings event, then keep on watching. One of the products I got in today's haul is from One Size, and it is the Turn Up the Base Versatile Powder Foundation. I do have their setting powder and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's the loose kind of baking ultimate setting powder, and it is one of my favorite baking powders. It's very smoothing. It's just a great powder. And so I did go ahead and get the powder foundation. So I did get it in the shade Fair 3, which is fair with neutral undertones. It's not stunning. It is one of the most beautiful packagings I've ever seen. It's very unique, and this is the actual powder. So I will swatch this for you so you guys can see the shade. That looks like it's going to be a really great match. So that's what it looks like on the skin, and that is the shade Fair 3. As I said, it looks like it's going to be a good match for me. This foundation is a buttery smooth buildable medium to full coverage powder foundation with a soft matte finish, and it's up to 12 hours of wear. It's supposed to help visibly blur the pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and texture, give a soft focus effect, just give you a flawless smoothing effect. It's supposed to be versatile, so I think you can use it as a foundation, as a setting powder. Sounds great to me. I'm really excited to be testing more from One Size, as it's a brand that is new and by a fellow YouTuber, and I've really enjoyed what I've tested from them so far, so super pumped about that one. Another powder that I got, I'm actually really excited. I was on the fence about this one because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. I don't know why. I just was a little bit on the fence. I was like, it's expensive and I don't know, like if, I don't know. I just don't know, okay? I just didn't know. This is the Tatcha Silk powder. Really, why was I on the fence? Because that alone sounds great. So it's a protective talc-free setting powder that blurs pores, shields from pollution, and blue light. I didn't even read that. Wow, provides a translucent, soft, radiant finish. So it's not only supposed to make your makeup look flawless, blur the skin, set down your makeup for longer wear, prolong the wear of your makeup, but it's also supposed to be good for your skin. It's supposed to have ingredients that are going to help protect your skin from, as I said, pollution and blue light. So that's great. I love to see that brands are coming up with stuff that's gonna not only make you look good, but also make your skin feel and be healthier. I'm confused. How do I open this? Oh, okay. You just like peel this plastic off, and then I guess, oh, and like the powder like comes out the sides of this hole. That is interesting, is it not? Do you guys see that? And I believe, was there only one shade? Yes, so there's only one shade. Ooh. For me personally, that's fine, because typically if it's translucent, that's fine for me, but for darker skin types, a translucent for somebody who's fair is gonna be way too light. Although they have models on here that are dark skin. So I guess, okay, so it's saying that it's for all skin tones. Okay, so that's good. At least they've addressed it by putting models with darker skin tones, because I was gonna say, so I'm just gonna pick some up here to place it on the skin. Ooh, it definitely has a bit of that like shimmer to it. It's almost like the Beauty Blender one. So I got that in the last haul. Like once you swatch it, you don't really see it, and my hands are super dry, so please forgive me. I really need to start putting moisturizer on. You can't really see the glitter finish, but if you look up close, not glitter, but shimmer, sorry, has a bit of like that radiant finish. So it's gonna give you more like illuminating, radiant, healthy glow. I personally like that as long as it doesn't look glittery. And from swatch, it looks like it's not going to be. I'm curious to see if it's good for the textured skin and if it really does help blur the skin. So I'm really pumped about this guy as well. I mean, let's hope it turns out, because it's expensive. The next one is from Tarte. It's from their C line, and it's the Breezy Cream Blush. I got it in the shade Pink Sky. A weightless cream blush that makes application a breeze. Just tap it on with your fingers. It's supposed to give you that just pinched color that doesn't fade. It's supposed to minimize the look of pores, fine lines. give you a fresh, youthful, like rosy look, you know? So this is also new from Tarte, and I'm really, really excited to try it. I've been loving cream blushes. I got another cream blush in my first haul. I don't want to touch it. It looks so beautiful. That's the packaging. Really love that. Let's check her out. Ooh, I like that. Let's put it right here on this side. So this is a little bit more of like a cooler toned pinky shade, which I love. I love my peachy shades, but I also love my cooler tone shades. I am neutral, so I'm lucky that way. I can kind of get away with a lot of different colors. That looks nice. It looks pigmented, and it also looks like it's gonna blend in nicely on the skin. So I'm really, really excited. I love cream blush. It looks just so like a part of your skin. It never gives you that powdery finish. Now, cream blush can be a little more finicky, so this was one I'm definitely going to be testing. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. So the next product that I got is from Kaja, I think it's Kaja, so we're just gonna go with it because I always, every time I do something with this brand, I'm like, how do I pronounce this? It is the Play Bento Cream Bronzer, Powder Blush, and Highlighter Sculpting Trio, and it is the largest one that I have from them. The other ones I have are really like that, those little small ones. I love their little trios or their little stackables because they're very travel friendly. I enjoy the way that they have created their products and how they are very compact. I actually really like that, especially if you were to travel a lot, or even if you just like need something for touch-ups, especially something like blush or highlight, you're gonna maybe want to touch up more than an eyeshadow. So this is a powder blush, powder highlight, and cream bronzer with a creamy blendable texture housed in a pocket-sized palette stack. They apply like butter, that's new. Apply like butter, blend effortlessly into cream to powder finish. So this one I got in the Butter Up trio. So it comes with the blush that is called Pink Cloud. It's a medium matte pink. That's the blush. Ooh, and I've never tried their powder blush, so that's really beautiful. That looks like a beautiful shade, and the formula seems very like silky and creamy, and it looks like it would be blendable. This is a powder highlight, which is next in the stack. Shade, and this is called Twinkle Lights, which is a delicate rose gold, but it's not too dark. Like I can see where they're getting the rose gold from, but it almost, like, sometimes rose gold for us fair toned ladies can be too dark. So if you are fair toned like me, it seems like it's light enough. And then this is a cream bronzer, which I love cream bronzers for like cream contouring and stuff. Oh, and it's dark enough. I could totally cream contour with this. Some cream bronzers are too light that you can only really use for bronzer, but that could be definitely used as contour. So that looks like a beautiful contour formula as well. It feels very thin and buttery and creamy, and it looks like it would be very blendable. So I'm really, really pumped to try this as well. And it is new too. So, you know, it's exciting. Everything that's new is always exciting. And I really like that brand as well. I've really been happy with, I think, everything I've tried from them. We have something from Buxom, which is new. It is called the Plump Shot. It's a collagen-infused lip serum. Our most advanced lip plumper, clinically shown to plump, increase volume, decrease lip lines. 94% said they saw instant results. I don't know why I'm talking like that. This is what it looks like. I actually like the packaging of this. I like just when packaging is different, and I've never seen like a lipstick, a lip gloss or a lip plumper like this. This is also new. It's also out of stock. There's a lot of stuff out of stock, probably because of the sale. So it's an advanced lip plumper that's clinically shown to visibly plump lips, decrease the appearance of lines and wrinkles quickly. It also does have a tingling sensation upon application. So if you don't like that tingling sensation, you won't like this, I guess. I will have to test it. So if you want to, know how intense it is, stay tuned for my review. I'm curious to see if, could you use it as a gloss? Or is it just going to be like a serum? That's something I want to test. It is clear, so there's not going to be much special about it. It looks like it is going to be just more like a serum. It's not even really that shiny. It has a minty smell to it. It feels very, very like nourishing. So that's interesting. I'm really excited to see, does it actually plump? I will definitely be doing a test on that, that's for sure. We also have the Bite Beauty Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. So I got in my last haul the mascara. Spoiler alert if you didn't see it, but I did get the mascara. So I thought I would try the eyeliner as well. Before I get into it, this is the packaging. It is in solid black, and I think that's the only shade it comes in. I really like the packaging of it. It's very, thin, and it's just, again, different. So it is a liquid liner, but it is one of those potted liquid liner. You know what I'm trying to say, like you dip it in. It's supposed to be ultra pigmented, made by and for control freaks. It glides on smoothly for precise, stress-free application and extreme long wear. It's also clean because it's from Bite Beauty, which is a clean brand, which is great. It has ingredients that help prevent flaking or drying out. Super pigmented, easy and precise. Sounds great to me, and extreme long wear, so we will be testing this as well. I love liner. As you can see, I love a good, winged liner. It's my go-to look. I love to add it to any look. It doesn't matter. It's my favorite look is when I have my liner on. So I love to test new ones. The next 3 products are actually from Rare Beauty. There's a lot of new stuff coming out with Rare Beauty, and Rare Beauty's been coming out with like bang, bang, bang new stuff all the time. And it's really cool to see them coming out with lots of new stuff. All the stuff I've tried from them are really, really great as well. I love their liquid blush, their foundation, lots of stuff, really great stuff. So the next thing that I got is the Always an Optimist Weightless Eye Primer. So it's weightless, hydrating, supposed to smooth the lids, prep for longer lasting, amped up color that won't crease, fade, or smudge. Even though most eyeshadow primers have very similar claims, we want them to seal or blur any uneven skin tone in the eyelid, prep for the eyeshadow to go on smoother, and also boost the color and also prolong the wear, prevent creasing or fading. Not all of them do, so I'm excited to see how this one does. I also love their packaging. I'm honestly obsessed with the brand. Not everything has been my favorite. I will say there's only one product that I haven't loved, which was the Melting Cream Blush. It's not bad, it's just not my favorite cream blush. So it's not that I'm, biased. It's just, I've really, really loved the brand. I personally and honestly believe it's an incredible brand with really great quality products. So I'm excited to test this one. It seems very thin. Let's see. Yeah, when you blend it in, it kind of blends into your skin. So I think it would be pretty versatile. I mean, there's not really much I can say. I'm just gonna have to test to see the performance of it. The next one is the Always Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. Now, they had a primer when they first launched, along with their first, big launch of stuff, and it was more of a hydrating primer. So they finally came out with a pore diffusing primer, which is always what I look for, and I'm really pumped to test it. This is the Mini. It is a silky primer that blurs and smooths the complexion with a natural matte finish. So it's supposed to be hydrating. It has a cushiony gel texture that blurs the look of pores and fine lines, boosts and extends wear of makeup, and helps fight shine all day. It's nice to see that it helps fight shine, but it's also hydrating, so it's hopefully not going to dry out the skin. Let's see what the texture is like. So that's what it looks like on my skin right there in the center. And when you smooth it into the skin, that's what it looks like. Yeah, it does look upon swatch like it is going to blur, but obviously we have to test it on my enlarged pores because I do struggle with texture and pores. So I'm a pretty good candidate to test it because, I got some pretty textured skin up in here. So I will be testing this guy. The very last product is also from Rare Beauty, and it is the Discovery Eyeshadow Palette. This is my very first eyeshadow palette from Rare Beauty. It is the newest one. She did come out with 2 earlier, but they were all metallic, and I wasn't completely obsessed with the idea of it. And I had just gotten some stuff from Rare Beauty, so I did pass on that launch, but I definitely jumped on this one because I have been itching to test her eyeshadow. So when you open it up, this is the actual palette. I do really like the look of it. It's, as I said, I like all packaging that's different, that's unique, and Rare Beauty is really good for creating unique packaging. But when you open it, it doesn't feel like it closes, and for some reason it kind of feels a little bit cheap. I like the look of it, and it's, again, what's inside that matters. So this is what the palette looks like. I really like the color scheme of this one. I think it is a little bit more usable for everyday use, yet it still gives you enough, fun and glitz and glam. So it comes with 3 mattes, 3 metallics, and 1 glitter. I'm not going to swatch them all because I want to save that for the review. So the center one is an actual pressed glitter, which is beautiful. And then I just want to swatch a matte because, ooh, looks pigmented. Okay, let's swatch one. Ooh, that looks like a nice blendable formula. I think that looks really nice. I'm excited to try that. If you want to see this palette swatched and reviewed and tested, then stay tuned. I will be doing a review of the new Rare Beauty stuff among everything else. So that is everything in today's haul. That is everything that I got from the spring savings event. If you want to see what else I got in the first package, in the first order, then I will link it below. I think everything I got in today's order was new to the market. So really exciting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you do want to be notified of my upcoming videos so you don't miss these reviews, then go ahead and hit the red button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell if you do want email notifications. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all well and safe, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.